whiplash in temperatures, which is typically what we would get in a transition season known as spring. So, one week it's below average, the next week it's above. What gives? But it's been a nice day. Nonetheless, plenty of sunshine earlier today, but the clouds are starting to increase across the region. That is all a sign of our next disturbance marching across the Intermountain West right now, giving widespread coverage of rain across Interstate 15 here from parts of northern Arizona up into parts of Utah. This is all in the form of a front that will start to sweep the state over the next 36 hours. That will give us more seasonal conditions by the end of the work week. For now, we're contending with some strong winds, especially here across the southeastern plains. Winds close to 35-mile-per-hour gust. Probably have some embedded gusts close to 40 to 50 miles per hour across the central mountains and areas into the San Luis Valley. That is leading to the warmer temperatures and also the high fire danger across the region, which really won't come to an end until about 8 p.m. this evening. Temperatures in the 70s at about 7 o'clock this evening. We drop off into the 60s at 9 o'clock, and then closer to midnight we'll be in the 50s. So our overnight lows are going to be pretty warm tonight. In fact, if you want to crack open the window, maybe let a little fresh air in, not have to use. I've actually been turning on the air conditioning. So that last couple days, very hot natured though. But want to save a couple pennies, maybe crack open the window tonight. It's going to be a nice mild night and cool in some locations. 50 degrees there in Pueblo, 41 in Canyon City for overnight lows, and temperatures are going to be slightly cooler tomorrow. A lot of this will be attributed to incoming cloud cover first across I-25 in the Pikes Peak region and rain cool there. So we're only going to top out in the 50s and 60s tomorrow. Getting a little bit more sunshine across La Junta and Lamar along the Arkansas River Valley will allow those temperatures to still reach that 80-degree mark in some locations. So as we march hour by hour, here we are tonight. You'll notice we're dry at the surface. Clouds will continue to stream in, especially across parts of the San Luis Valley and areas into the San Juans, especially for Tuesday morning. Freezing levels initially will be pretty high, and then they'll start to drop into Tuesday afternoon. Most of I-25 stays dry in the morning. Few little isolated pockets of showers can't be ruled out, which the model is not picking up on just yet. But I think most of our heavier downpours are not really materializing until 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and then that point forward during that peak heating time between about 1 and 6 p.m. Notice southwest winds will still be fairly gusty across parts of the Arkansas River Valley after 1 o'clock tomorrow. Convective snow showers, which really just thrive on afternoon daytime heating, will start to pop up across I-70 between about 1 and 4 p.m. Most of the measurable precipitation initially will favor the higher terrain areas across the Palmer Divide, the Rampart Range, areas into Elbert County and Douglas County from about 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. I still think the model's not doing a great job at really hinting at some of these little pop-up showers and storms we'll have across El Paso County, so don't rule that out. I don't think we'll be completely dry in Colorado Springs or Pueblo, but I certainly think most of the heavier rain showers will materialize across parts of the Gap region and into the central and southern areas of Douglas County. Now, Tuesday night, the moisture is going to continue. So as we cool off, we'll start to see a lot of that transition over to a few snow showers across parts of Teller County, with really rain showers still ongoing across parts of Black Forest and Highway 24 for Wednesday and Wednesday morning. And then Wednesday afternoon, we start to slowly see the clouds decreasing, north wind kicking in, and then we'll return to some sunshine on Thursday. So point taken, don't count on too much in the way of sunshine for Tuesday and Wednesday, but then plenty of sunshine returning on Thursday. We will get some measurable precipitation out of this system, which will more so favor higher terrain areas west of the interstate, 4 places into the high country. So you'll notice into the morning and afternoon hours, we'll have some snow showers across parts of Pagosa Springs, areas into Durango, and then rain will start to be more widespread across the northeastern quadrant of Colorado, with more so about 1/10 of an inch of rain across the southeastern plains. So don't expect heavy downpours, but certainly looking at some dismal days here for the next 48 hours. Then we'll start to see some sunshine returning. Temperatures a little bit more seasonal, 50s and 60s for Thursday and Friday for Woodland Park. And then, boy, that warming trend really returns in a big way for the upcoming weekend. Pueblo touching near 90 degrees on Saturday. So far, the weekend is looking mostly dry. But see that system on Monday? If that system speeds up at all, the timing changes just a bit, it may impact your Sunday plans. For now, though, it is looking like a dry stretch of weather for the latter half of the week and heading into the upcoming weekend. It's never too early to be thinking about the weekend, even if it's Monday, right? Glass half full.
I'm still thinking about this weekend. And I'm just going to skip ahead to next weekend.
Okay.
So we're not going to talk about the weekdays.
Okay.
Just
We're
go
just
right
going
to
to
next
ignore
weekend.
the fact that it's Monday.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love that there's like no freezing temperatures on that 7-day.
Right?
We never hit 32. We're staying above freezing for the first
Good
time.
thing.